shall I take drinking out?
Well, I think that's fine.
I like drinking. My name is Kelly Healy. My job title is installation manager, but I also support HR, training and other areas of the business. Initially, I started working here. I was working for 11 years. Then I left to have our children, Scarlett and Thomas. I then came back and I'm now in my 5th year. Truthfully though, I've been here all my life. My dad, Rick Farrer, he was one of the founders of the company 50 years ago. I like to spend time with my husband and our children and the dog, Martha. I like to go walking, I like reading, I like drinking and going on holiday, and I'm also very close to the rest of the family, so we do a lot of things together. I enjoy reading, gardening if the weather's nice, and I also like to try different traditional and craft ales.